Alright, so workbench quick open preserve input controls whether the last typed input to quick open should be restored when opening it the next time. There's actually another setting here which is closely related to this one. Let me see if I can find it. Preserve. Let's go down here. It's the quick open and the command palette. So these two settings are very closely related. So this is the command palette and this is the quick open. And so let me show you what this looks like. It's set to false by default, so it's not going to preserve the input. But if you set it to true and you open quick open and you write like index, for example, and you close it, when you open it again, well, I guess you have to select a file. So let's select index.html, and then when you whoops, my bad. There we go. When you open it again, it's going to have that index string written in there, right? And it's not, I don't find this to be much useful. Like I didn't find that to be much useful on the command palette preserve input either. So I'm going to set this one to false so that every time you open quick open, it starts with a blank slate and you can just start writing whatever you want. All right, so I'm leaving this one set to false.